Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A taxpayer filed her 2021 federal income tax return on March 1st, 2022, before the due date, right? The original due date happens to be April 18th that year. How long must this individual retain her support and documentation under the IRS general rule? Okay, now, if you're taking this question on Farhat Lectures, you could ask the AI to explain the topic. And if you're not sure what the rules are. But what are the rules? Well, you have to maintain it 3 years from the original due date or the time that you file, whichever comes later. So the original due date, she filed, let's take a look at it this way. This is 2022. You're supposed to file 4/18, but the individual filed on March 1st of that year. But the required 4/18, by 4/18 you have to require. So what do you have to do? You have to count 3 years from the original due date, or if you filed later. You filed before, so the later is the 3 years from the later. Therefore, 2023, 2024, and 2025. Therefore, this is 3 years, April 4/18, 2025. You have till you need to keep your record, should be kept till 4/18, 2025. Once again, as we mentioned in the lecture, for certain deductions, for certain credit, for carryover, for capital losses, you want to keep your record longer. But as far as the IRS, they could go back and audit you for those 3 years. Again, there are different rules if you are committing fraud. Basically, it never closes. What should you do now? Whether you are an enrolled agent, candidate, accounting student, go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, AI resources, podcast, support by Farhat and the team. Invest in yourself. Good luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.